Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmouda Firdaus Mim, Department of Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. My ID is 181352382. Today, my presentation topic is how has Maslow's hierarchy of needs been tested during COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought about a dramatic change in our life. Things we took for granted a few months ago have been tested and challenged ever since. Let's take a look what is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Here we can see Maslow's pyramid, and here we can see that the pyramid has 5 stages. Basically, Abraham Maslow was a psychologist who believed people's motivations were based on seeking fulfillment and change through individual growth. He split them into a 5-tier pyramid known as Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow divided the 5 stages into 2 groups. The first 4 groups, which are basic needs, psychological needs, are called deficiency needs. And the 5th is the growth need, which here we can see that it is self-fulfillment needs. Then Maslow stated that before a person can move up the hierarchy, they must be satisfied with the lower tier first. How has the pandemic tested the pyramid? Since the lockdown began, our situation drastically changed. Everything we took for granted, like going to the cinema and seeing friends, seeing our families, was stopped, and we were told to stay at home. The result of this changed how we view Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Here we can see Maslow's pyramid during COVID times. From this pyramid, I can say that before a COVID time, our psychological needs will be breathing, water, sleep, food, clothing, shelter, etc. But in COVID time, it may be food access issues and less mobility. For some people, shelter may be affected. Then safety needs. The requirements of safety needs before COVID-19 is employment, property, health, security issues. But in COVID time, it may be increased unemployment, reduced access to resources, individual stability impacted due to an uncertain future, and also security issues may increase at household or domestic level. Then the third one is social needs. Whether before COVID time it will love, affection, family, friends, relationships and belongingness, but in COVID time it may be access to family and friends impacted, and quarantine, alter egos, virtual bond, etc. The fourth one is self-esteem needs. The requirement of self-esteem needs before COVID-19 was recognition, respect, achievement, self-confidence and self-worth. But in pandemic time, it will be self-worth questioned as people become unemployed and have an uncertain future. And the last one is self-actualization. Before COVID time, it was creativity, acceptance of facts, morality and problem solving. But in pandemic time, it will be it may be little to no impact or nature inspired or 21-day habit goals. Now the question is, how can we get attain the hierarchy now? The 5 tiers will steady again as we remember that we still have a food and water and a safe place to sleep. Government schemes are there to help those who need it, and most importantly, just because we can't physically see our loved ones, but it doesn't mean that they don't care or love us. As we all adjust to the new ways of living, Let's remember that we can get through this together with the help and support of our friends and family, and we can show them that we are there for them. So thank you for hearing me. Assalamu alaikum.